St John of God Healthcare is Australia's third largest private hospital operator and Australia's largest Catholic not-for-profit private healthcare group. A dynamic and progressive group, we offer a myriad of career opportunities for local and international nurses across our network of hospitals and services in Australia and New Zealand. Employing over 8,000 caregivers, as we call all staff members, we operate 9 acute medical surgical hospitals, all with busy and highly regarded maternity units. 5 hospitals specialising in psychiatry and drug and alcohol services and rehabilitation. A community hospice, a major pathology service, a disability support service, and a wide range of social outreach and advocacy programs in Australia, New Zealand and the wider Asia-Pacific region. St John of God Healthcare's values, hospitality, compassion, respect, justice and excellence underpin everything we do and guide us in our day-to-day interactions, be they with patients, families, doctors, each other or the wider community.
I would describe us as very values-based, very focused on doing the right thing by patients and communities and working hard to understand the needs of those communities and the doctors and as well who are serving those communities.
The tradition of compassionate care started in 1895 by our founders, the Sisters of St John of God, continues to inspire us.
It's very important for us to try to make sure that the care we provide is distinctive. That's our heritage from the Sisters of St John of God, is distinctive care, and we want to do that in a holistic way, not only in terms of the clinical excellence, but in what we wrap around that in terms of the way we treat people. We want to give people hope, we want to look after their spiritual needs, their emotional needs, all of their needs, not just their physical needs. We want to make sure we provide the best possible care.
Importantly, as a Catholic not-for-profit group, the profits we make do not go to shareholders, but back into the communities we serve.
We've had, for about the last 5 years, a very significant growth in what we call our social outreach and advocacy program. Other organisations might call it community services. Importantly though, advocacy implies that we want to advocate on behalf of the people that we're trying to serve to make sure their needs are looked after, because mostly we're talking about people at the margins of society.
Our outreach includes working on healthcare programs with Aboriginal communities, operating pathology and primary healthcare programs in East Timor, providing low-cost community mental health programs, and delivering alcohol and other drug initiatives.
It's one of the reasons that staff are attracted to come and work with us. They like to think not only is this organisation values-based, but it's actually doing things in the community that are making a difference, including with the most needy people both in Australia and in our region. We also try hard to be what we call an attractive and principled employer. There's a whole set of things we seek to do to make sure people think working with us is an attractive place to work and we look after them. So we try to invest a lot in people, we invest a lot in their development, in their personal development as human beings. We try to develop them in their professional development to become better skilled at the technical skills they need for their job. We try to create career paths and opportunities as we look forward to making sure we can offer the most for all of those caregivers.
Nurses remain our single largest group of caregivers, and 85% of our workforce is female. In recognition of our policies and practices supporting women, we've been named an employer of choice for women each year since 2002.
We understand not all people who work with us are of any religious background at all. Certainly not are all Christian, certainly not are all Catholic, but I don't think there'd be anybody who works in a healthcare profession who wouldn't agree with justice, excellence, respect, compassion and hospitality as good humanitarian values. We want people who really are attracted to work in that sort of environment, and we want to make sure that what we promise will also be what we deliver to them as they join us in their journey as professionals with St John of God Healthcare.
We welcome you to join in and experience our unique culture and exciting and expanding working environment. We're sure you'll fit in perfectly. For more information, go to www.sjog.org.au.